we're putting up this 2x4 as a guide for us to lay the bottom of the siding on. Really helps with the weight of it, and then it keeps it perfectly level all the way around. So handy. Worked really well on this side. Yeah. Getting the safety bracket on to hold the ladder tight to the deer stand. Just a little extra layer of precaution on our makeshift scaffolding here. Got some stability for mud and for leveling. All the prep work for safety. That's a fit.
Just gotta pry it over.
Sure.
Oh, actually, no, that's it.
It's our best one yet.
Does it look like the same height?
Yeah. I mean, the one on the left's a hair taller, but once it's pinned down, it'll probably be the same. Hadn't had any interior shots in part 1 or part 2. Nice views. Kind of show you an interior shot. Go back out the door. Getting the corner trim piece on here.
Alright, so today we got the corner trim piece on the left side there, going from the soffit down to the bottom of the siding there. And we had to wait. Couldn't do that yesterday because I didn't have the other part of the siding on this side of the deer stand. So I got just enough of the siding on where I could trim the window and get that corner piece on. So that lined up pretty well. Those were pretty tough getting those because of the scaffolding setup was not ideal. But back up here so I can see better. But yeah, it turned out pretty well. Everything still is looking straight, level and plumb, so that's good. And hopefully I can finish up that left strip on the other side of the door next time up, and then those two little areas up on the gable wall there, those triangles as we call them. And I think I'm going to take off that brick molding and put up the white trim. I bought enough of that white trim to put around that white door as well. So I think I'll rip off the brick molding that came with it and put the trim on after the rest of the siding goes on. So that's it for today.